Imagine working for months to pass a prop firm challenge and you finally get funded. You did everything right. You followed your plan, you managed your risk, and you stayed disciplined. But here's what's wild. The moment traders get funded, they throw away all their good habits and blow their accounts, chasing bigger wins. My name is JD Hyter. I teach struggling traders how to pass prop firm challenges and increase their overall trading performance. You can be the next Ben who passed 2 50K challenges and stated that this channel was part of his journey. If you failed a prop firm challenge in the last 30 days, my free guide, Finally Funded, may have that last tip that you need to put you on the path to winning. So comment below, give me the guide, and I'm gonna send you Finally Funded. Trader psychology is fascinating because it exposes our most basic human flaws. Even the smartest traders fall into these traps. I know one trader who passed his challenge flawlessly, then blew his brand new pro account in just 1 hour because he got greedy. It's just like being really far ahead in a marathon and you're looking at the finish line, but then you actually trip and fall because you started celebrating too fast and somebody ran past you and won the race. That's what's happening to people when they finally go from a challenge to the real account. The difference between success and failure isn't just skill. It's controlling what's happening in your head when real money is on the line. After passing a prop firm challenge, everything changes psychologically. You're no longer proving yourself. You're now managing actual profits. The challenge was stressful, but at least the rules were clear. Now with a funded account, that pressure morphs into something different. Trading plans that worked perfectly during the challenge suddenly feel too conservative. Your initial success breeds this dangerous overconfidence. It whispers to you, you've got this figured out, now go bigger. And that's precisely when things fall apart. Let me share a quick story that might sound familiar to you. I passed the challenge by taking trades at the 9:30 open every single day, every day of the challenge. Then my "You are funded" email arrived at 4 a.m. one morning. Instead of sticking to my winning strategy, I immediately jumped into the market at 5 a.m. something, which I never did during the challenge. Greed showed up that quickly without me even recognizing it. It was just instant, greedy. And I told myself, hey, I've been working towards this, now it's time. But not at 5 a.m. when all my winning trades had been at 9:30, the whole challenge. This tiny mental switch may seem small, but it's exactly what separates traders who keep funded accounts from those who blow funded accounts. The moment real money enters the equation, everything changes if you're not careful. Prop firms know that most traders will self-destruct after getting funded, which is exactly why they're willing to back you. But what would your trading results look like if you treated every single day in your funded account just like you were still taking that challenge? So take your time, understand that you're gonna have some new emotions to deal with now that you have a funded account. But if you take your time and stick to what got you there, you'll do fine. All right, so let's do a chart analysis. Hey, I forgot to say, I'm gonna change the wording, all right? I'm not calling it a chart analysis anymore. It's actually gonna be called a work study lesson. Reason being is when I was in college, back at Knoxville College in Tennessee, all right, it was a working college and I played basketball. Basketball was actually my job. Basketball was how I was paying for the tuition. They called it work study. So when I would go to the gym to practice, right, when I would go into the weight room, when we would go, run monsters, everything that we were doing to prepare our bodies for the game, for the season, we called it work study. All right, so as we go over these lessons here in the future, moving forward, I'm not calling them chart analysis. I'm not calling them chart lessons anymore because, hey, this is my channel, right? This is my trading school. So we're going to call it work study lesson because what we want to do is be able to look at the market, read a price chart, right? Every time we look at the market and read a price chart, we're putting in that work, all right? And when we put in that work, then we're able to see those results in real time. So going forward, all right, we're gonna call these work study lessons, all right? So it's work study time, and we're gonna go look at a chart, analyze that chart, and see if we can get a trade, all right? So if you have failed a prop firm challenge in the last 30 days, your boy is here to help you. I have a free guide that is helping people get over the hump. It's called Finally Funded. So just comment below, give me the guide, and I'm gonna send you Finally Funded. So now let's go over and do that work study lesson. Roll it. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So today is August 22nd, 2025. This is going to be our work study lesson for today. All right, so we're going to start at the beginning of the session, read the price action, mark up any trade setups that we see, catch up to the price action, see if we may get a trade at the open here. All right, so let's go check out the market, see what it did overnight. All right, gang. So I had my key entry point all set, ready, right at the session open last night. And so, you know, here there's nothing to do, unfortunately, because we're right in the center of the range, right? This is a range. Look, the EMA looking like a roller coaster. We was right in the center of it. But then, man, it broke out right here. Something serious breakout. I mean, and it just left you, you know, because you may saw this high push down lower high here. I'll mark it if you were really watching at this time of night and everything. You know, it's a beautiful high, push down lower high. And I mean, it's breaking out to close outside the area that it's been struggling in. You take that. I mean, and if you did, it's, I mean, of course, in hindsight, it fell through. Typically, you wait for the breakout pullback, which you just don't get. This one here, it just took off, right? But then, look, this thing must have hit a pocket of buy, limit, order sitting right here, because it rocketed. I mean, when I say rocket, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 greens in a row. And these ain't small, okay? But here's your next trade though, because after this thing rockets through like this, I mean, it doesn't even pause at the 21 EMA, you already know. And then when you get back inside the range, this is a failed breakout. So this is like a break back in is what I would call this. But you still get a low push up, higher low right here. You get a green, red, green, wifey trade off the key entry point. I'm going right there. Off of that momentum, I'm also thinking I'm gonna get a rally base rally, which you do, rally, base, rally. This is a monster trade. This is a rally base rally. It's a break back in. It's a low, higher low. This is 3 setups in one. You don't see this every day. And the result was boom, off to the races. All right, and that basically catches us up. But then we break out the top of the key entry point. Now we're really trucking. So now the bias is long because we're outside the top. So now we're looking for the breakout pullback. So we've broken out, we pull back, try to go, here's the breakout. Try to go lower once, try to go lower twice, try to go lower 3 times. The bias should be long. The market is finna open because I'm almost ready to go right now. All right, market's at 819. So here's the problem. Look at that 21 EMA. It's looking real parallel to this level. So we have a range. So mark it up. Mark it up. As soon as you see the 21 EMA look like a roller coaster, man, you mark it up. This is probably about the bottom from the touches I see. All right. So we may have an easy money play today at the open. We break out of this range at the open. We're gonna keep trucking. And if we get a second leg, people, I dare measure it. Whew. If we get a second leg, I can't even measure it. Can't even get my measuring stick right. It's gonna be awesome. Can't even get it in the screen for you. Okay, so that's the possibility for today. All right, that's what's possible today, just so you know. First things first, we gotta break out. We gotta break out the top of this range. Then it's on the popping. And we'll see what happens when we come back in 10 minutes. All right, fellas and ladies, somebody told me to say, check it out. So we about to get it popping here. Look like, let me tell you what I see here. What I like is that we held at this 21 EMA a minute ago. And now we are breaking out, y'all. But the market is gonna open. A couple minutes, I'm trying to hold out for the open. But yes, I have a long bias at this point. We trended up into this range. Anytime you trend up into the range, chances are you're gonna bring out the top. If I trade it down, chances are you're gonna bring out the bottom. So again, that's a vote to go long. We're outside the top of my key entry point. That's a vote to go long. We're currently standing above the 21 EMA. That's a vote to go long. We have a huge leg up from last night. I mean, humongous leg up. If we get a second leg, that's another vote to go long. I'm thinking easy money long today is the play, right? I'm calling it easy money, easy money play to the long side. Breakout pullback. We're looking for another breakout pullback out of this small range. Let it break out, let it come back. Signal candle out. That's what we're looking for right at the open. We get a breakout pullback right off the top of this range. It's going to be an easy money play day. Let's see. We'll find out in a minute. But I feel so confident that that's going to be what's happening. I'm going to get prepared.
Order submitted.
And gonna lead me. Quick breakout pullback. Easy money play. Come on. It's Friday. I want to go do some other stuff. Me and the boys want to hit the bounce house, the jump house. So we ain't got time to be trading all day. Let's get this thing done. Look, I mean, if this was like to make a small red and then another green up, I'm going right. Oh, okay, I'm about to say. See, it's finna take off. Okay, so we have the breakout. Right? That's a breakout, folks. We just broke out. So we're gonna get a little pullback. Right at the open. Oh, right at the open, we're gonna shoot up. Countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game time. Favorite time of day. We've broken out. There's the pullback. There's the pullback. There's the pullback. Here we come. Come on, push up, push up, push up. If we break back out, that'll be the breakout. That'll be the pullback. No, it ain't happening, folks. Here it comes. Let the candle close. Breakout, pullback, big sitting candle. Let's go.
Order submitted.
Breakout, pullback. I don't like this. Rejection, 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 rejection. Oof, take whatever rejection we can get. Break higher, let's go. Trap them real fast. Trap them real fast, break higher. Ooh, I like that, I like that. Yeah. Break higher. There you go. There you go. There you go. Closing your top. I'll take it. Break higher. Break out. Let's go. Break out pullback. Let's get it. Second leg. If we break higher here, that second leg is in play A. Break, closing your top. Great trade. Closing your top, closing your top. Closing your top. Closing your top. Huh.
Order canceled.
Great trade. That's the day. That's the day. So hey, if you've been struggling to pass a prop firm challenge, hey, I have a free guide. It's free, right? You have nothing to lose, maybe everything to gain. So comment below, give me the guide, and I'm gonna send you finally funded. All right, so until next time, y'all come on back, let's do it again, right? My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye.